Hello. Almost a sunset on December 14 on Amami Island. This is one of the North Ryukyu Islands, subtropical forest with multiple ferns, which of course do not feel any winter. So they are evergreen and thriving here. There are very many genera and species of ferns on Ryukyu Islands, and among them, very tropical ones. So this is one of them. This is Bolbitis. Bolbitis, I think some people know Bolbitis because one species is broadly cultivated like aquarium plant, which is, by the way, kind of not a mistake. We use this African species of Bolbitis on the extreme border of its adaptation. It grows like this one in the forest, but sometimes can grow also underwater. So anyway, so aquarium Bolbitis and many Bolbitis are typical plants for greenhouse because, as you see, they are very ornamental. So bright leaves, kind of rigid, well, glossy. So they are very good ferns for cultivation. And if you look like what the next move, if you see the fern, the first you see leaf from above. Then, of course, you should turn a leaf around and try to find spores. Nothing. So this is indication that this fern probably has dimorphic fronts. So leaf of fern is frequently called front. And this is correct. Bolbitis belongs to kind of very widespread, but like kind of, well, more or less random adaptation in ferns when some leaves are trophophils and other leaves are sporophils, and they will bear only sporangia and do not perform photosynthesis. Sporophils typically don't have a green color. Some species of Bolbitis have interesting adaptation, which is actually also available in many random, like dispersed group of ferns. As you see here on the leaf, the tip of it is very long. So sometimes tips of Bolbitis will touch the ground and will make roots and produce new plant. This is a very funny way of vegetative reproduction. As you probably know, fern leaves fronds are growing by tips. So tips still have cells which might develop and form new plants. This is again very tropical genus. So Bolbitis is widespread in tropics, and here is subtropics. Well, I'm in t-shirt, but it's more or less cold right now. So temperature is about probably 15 centigrades. So it's not exactly tropical temperature, but the species of Bolbitis feels here very well. Thank you.